Alright, it's going to be a quick test of 3 little homemade firecrackers I made. Each one of them has 1 gram of composition. The first one's going to be 80% burst charge, rice hull coated with black powder, and 20% of my potassium perchlorate black powder, fast black powder mix. And then the next one will be a 50-50 mix of the two, and the second one, and then the last one will be a 1 gram of just the potassium perchlorate fast black powder. Alright, I'm sure it was hard to tell on the video with the sound, but the first one was actually the loudest, and that was the one with the least black powder in it. So it doesn't always equate to a bigger bang if you use more powder. In this case, the rice hulls space out the powder, give it a little more room, and then the black powder that's mixed in with it, a dust, kind of accelerates the whole thing. So that was a very good burst for 1 gram. That would work very well in maybe a 1.5 inch or 2 inch shell as the break. It would be great. So we'll try it next time in a shell.